Income tax. Question number 1. Agricultural income is not to be included in the total income of an assessee under the previous of Income Tax Act 1961. Option A, Section 10, subsection 1. Option B, Section 20, subsection 1. Option C, Section 30, subsection 1. Option D, Section 4, subsection 1. Answer, Section 10, subsection 1. Question number 2. Agricultural income is defined in the Income Tax Act 1961 under Option A, Section 9, subsection 1A. Option B, Section 12, subsection 1A. Option C, Section 2, subsection 1A. Option D, Section 23, subsection 1A. Answer, Section 2, subsection 1A. Question number 3. In order to treat a particular income as agricultural income, the number of basic tests to be satisfied are option A 7, option B 5, option C 3, option D 2. Answer, 3. Question number 4. Into how many broad categories agricultural income can be classified into? Option A 2, option B 4, option C 7, option D 5. Answer, 5. Question number 5. Income from rent of agricultural land is option A casual income, option B business income, option C agricultural income, option D none of these. Answer, agricultural income. Question number 6. When income compares of both agricultural and non-agricultural component, such income is computed as per option A rules 7 and 8 of income tax rules 1962, option B rules 12 and 13 of income tax rules 1962, option C rules 18 and 19 of income tax rules 1962, option D none of these. Answer, rules 7 and 8 of income tax rules 1962. Question number 7. Integration of agricultural income and non-agricultural income is not done in case of option A individuals, option B association of person, option C company, option D none of these. Answer, company. Question number 8. Dividend from cooperative society are option A exempted, option B taxable, option C partly taxable, option D none of these. Answer, taxable. Question number 9. Interest on securities occurs option A day by day, option B quarterly, option C after a fixed period mentioned on the face of the security, option D none of these. Answer, after a fixed period mentioned on the face of the security. Question number 10. Which of the following gift is taxable? Option A gift in kind from relative, option B gift from wife, option C gift from son. Option D, gift from office colleague. Answer, gift from office colleague. Question number 11. Income from plant is a dash. Option A, agricultural income. Option B, sales income. Option C, custom income. Option D, none of these. Answer, agricultural income. Question number 12. Company is dash. Option A, resident. Option B, non-resident. Option C, non-honorary resident. Option D, A and B. Answer, A and B, resident and non-resident. Question number 13. Who is liable to pay any tax is called. Option A, assessee. Option B, buyer. Option C, tax. Option D, authority. Answer, assessee. Question number 14. Income from sale of land is a part of income from dash. Option A, salary. Option B, capital gain. Option C, house property. Option D, profession. Answer, capital gain. Question number 15. Fully taxable allowance is dash. Option A, dearness paid. Option B, house allowance. Option C, rural allowance. Option D, all of these. Answer, all of these. Question number 16. To be a long-term capital assets, a non-financial asset should be held for more than. Option A, 12 month. Option B, 40 month. Option C, 36 month or 24 month. Option D, 60 month. Answer, 36 month or 24 month.